Welcome back to Crabtree Creations. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy DIY that'll dress up your mantle for Easter, as well as I will show you some pillow covers that I got to put on my existing pillows in my living room to decorate my living room for Easter. So this first DIY, what I got was this burlap banner. And it came with these little hearts that connect, and it's connected with jute twine. And there's 15 hearts that are all connected, and you can adjust them as needed. And then I also got these alphabet stickers off Amazon as well. And I'm going to spell out Happy Easter, and then I had leftover hearts from Valentine's Day that I'm going to put in between and on the ends. So I'm going to turn you down so you can see what I'm doing. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and take these stickers out of the package. And these stickers, I'll have a link below for the burlap hearts banner and the stickers as well. The stickers are pink, so I thought that they would look really cute for Easter. Okay, so I'm going to spread these out. Okay, so I've measured how to space them out, so I'm going to start at the end, and then I'm just going to work my way around to the beginning. Okay, so on the end, I'm going to put a white sticker that I got for Valentine's Day. I'm going to center it in the heart. And then I'm going to get a pink sticker and center it in there as well, just like that. Okay, so then I'm going to start spelling Happy Easter. Okay. And pressing down real good to make sure that it sticks. Okay, so I have H. And there's A. Okay. Okay, H-A. P. And then Y. Then I'm going to put a pink heart. And the two spots that are in between. So this one, as well as this one, we'll just have pink hearts. Okay. All right, then you need E. And A. S. And a T. And E. Then R. And the last one, you're going to do like you did the first one. You're going to put the white heart in the center with a pink sticker inside of it. Just like that. Okay. Now we have the finished product, which I'm going to put on my mantle, which I'll show you once I get it up there. Here is the finished banner on my mantle. Here are some pillow covers that I got off Amazon, and I'll leave a link below. This one says Easter Blessings. This next one says Bless Our Nest. This one says Happy Easter. And this is my favorite one. It says Farm Fresh Easter Egg Hunt. You get all four in a set, and I'll just put them over my existing pillows.